Tammy Slaton's life has always been full of unexpected twists, dramatic family tension, emotional breakdowns, and personal milestones that keep fans hooked to 1000 LB Sisters. From her battles with obesity and multiple hospitalizations to her triumphant weight loss transformation and shocking marriage to Caleb Willingham, Tammy's journey has never been short of headlines. But now, the spotlight is shifting yet again, and this time, it's on her new girlfriend, Andrea Dalton, whose legal troubles have sent shockwaves through fans of the hit TLC series. After the tragic death of Caleb Willingham, Tammy was reportedly in an emotional spiral. The loss left her heartbroken and vulnerable. Many close to her feared she might backslide into old habits. However, in the months following his passing, Tammy shocked everyone when she appeared to have found love. Enter Andrea Dalton, a bold, edgy woman with a mysterious past and an intense chemistry with Tammy. The two were seen spending increasing amounts of time together, exchanging flirty TikToks, and even hinting at a more serious relationship. But all that glitters isn't gold. While Tammy was opening her heart again, Andrea's past was beginning to surface. And it wasn't pretty. Public records revealed that Andrea had been arrested, not once, but twice, in recent years. Fans were blindsided when mugshots began circulating online, showing Andrea Dalton looking distraught, defeated, and worlds away from the confident woman Tammy had been flaunting on social media. The arrests quickly became the talk of the internet. Curious fans and critics alike dove deep into Andrea's criminal history. Court documents showed that Andrea was previously busted on charges ranging from minor theft to more serious allegations involving disorderly conduct. Although exact details remain partially redacted as sealed due to privacy and ongoing legal proceedings, the buzz has been enough to stir major concern among Tammy's supporters. Many are now questioning whether Andrea is truly the positive influence Tammy needs at such a delicate time in her recovery. Why? Photos from both arrests tell a heartbreaking story. In the first mugshot, Andrea looks pale and glassy-eyed, her hair messy and unkempt. She appears disoriented, as if grappling with the weight of the situation. The second mugshot is even more troubling. Andrea's eyes are red and puffy, hinting at recent tears. Her expression is vacant and hollow, radiating exhaustion and regret. These haunting images quickly went viral across platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and Instagram, sparking intense speculation about Andrea's mental health, her true character, and whether her presence in Tammy's life is a dangerous red flag. Tammy, meanwhile, hasn't directly addressed the controversy. But sources close to the star claim she is standing by Andrea, insisting that her new love interest deserves a second chance. Tammy knows what it feels like to be judged based on your worst moments, a friend reportedly said. She's been there herself. She wants to believe that people can change. That includes Andrea. Tammy's loyalty, while admirable, has some fans deeply worried. Given her history with toxic relationships and enablers, many are urging her to proceed with caution. Indeed, 1000 LB Sisters fans have watched Tammy endure a series of painful romantic entanglements. Her past boyfriends were often accused of using her, manipulating her, or failing to support her health goals. Caleb Willingham was seen as a turning point, someone who matched her struggles and understood her journey. His passing created an emotional vacuum, one that Andrea Dalton may have unintentionally filled. But the concern is that Tammy may be once again falling into the arms of someone who could drag her down. Some insiders allege that Tammy and Andrea's relationship is more volatile than it appears online. Behind the scenes, there are rumors of heated arguments, financial disagreements, and Tammy feeling increasingly isolated from her family. Her sister Amy, who has long served as her emotional anchor, is reportedly frustrated and alarmed by Tammy's new relationship. She's worried Tammy's going to lose everything she's worked so hard for, a source close to the family revealed. Amy is trying to protect her, but Tammy isn't listening right now. Social media has only amplified the drama. Fans on TikTok and Instagram have flooded Tammy's posts with a mixture of support, judgment, and pleas for her to reconsider her choices. Some express empathy, acknowledging that everyone makes mistakes and deserves redemption. Others are more critical, warning that associating with someone who has legal problems could derail Tammy's progress, both emotionally and professionally. "You don't need more drama," Tammy, one user wrote. "You need peace, healing, and people who lift you up. Interestingly, Andrea herself hasn't publicly commented on her legal troubles. Her social media accounts remain active but relatively quiet. Some speculate that legal counsel has advised her to stay silent as her past arrests continue to draw attention. But the lack of transparency only fuels the fire. Every post she makes, every selfie she shares, is met with questions about her criminal background and how it might affect Tammy's public image and ongoing journey. TLC, so far, has remained tight-lipped about whether Andrea will appear on future episodes of 1000 LB Sisters. Given the show's history of diving deep into the personal lives of its stars, many believe it's only a matter of time before Andrea's story becomes part of the official narrative. Producers may see the unfolding scandal as a ratings goldmine, while fans worry about the potential toll it could take on Tammy's already fragile emotional state. If Andrea's past continues to overshadow their relationship, it could become the defining controversy of the season. There's also growing speculation about whether Tammy will stand by Andrea or ultimately walk away. Some believe Tammy may be trying to fix Andrea, perhaps seeing parts of her own past in her girlfriend's struggles. Others fear Tammy is blinded by loneliness and the desperate need for connection. Whatever the case, her next moves will be closely watched by fans, critics, and media outlets alike. This relationship could either mark a new chapter of growth or signal a dangerous backslide into old patterns. As Tammy continues navigating fame, personal trauma, and the aftermath of losing Caleb, this new relationship brings both hope and alarm. She's earned the admiration of millions for her perseverance and transformation. But love, especially complicated love, has a way of throwing even the strongest people off course. And in this case, the red flags are waving high. For now, Tammy appears to be standing firm. She's reportedly told friends she doesn't care about the past, and that Andrea deserves a fresh start Saint like anyone else. She's made it clear that she believes in second chances, a sentiment she has long hoped others would extend to her. Still, as more details emerge about Andrea's legal history, that optimism may be harder and harder to maintain. Whether this relationship flourishes or flames out, it's clear that Tammy Slaton's life remains as unpredictable and headline-worthy as ever. As 1000 LB Sisters continues to film, viewer will be waiting to see if Andrea's story becomes the next big bombshell on reality TV, or if Tammy will once again have to make the painful choice between love and self-preservation. Only time will tell whether Tammy Slaton's decision to stand by Andrea Dalton is an act of unshakable loyalty or a dangerous misstep. But one thing is certain, her fans will be watching, analyzing every photo, every post, every hint of trouble or hope. Tammy has come too far to lose herself again. The world is rooting for her. But the road ahead is full of uncertainty, and the next chapter could be her most dramatic yet. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.